Good morning, बच्चों. Today we are going to study the worksheet number 33 of class 10th subject science, metals and non-metals. The topics we are going to discuss today are reaction of metals with acids, reaction of metals with solutions of other metal salts, and about the reactivity series. Then let's start. Reaction of metals with acids. Metal plus dilute acid. Whenever a metal reacts with dilute acid, it produces salt and hydrogen gas. There are some chemical equations are displayed here. You can study them. Hydrogen gas is not evolved when a metal reacts with nitric acid. Why? Because nitric acid is a strong oxidizing agent. It oxidizes the hydrogen produced to water and itself gets reduced to any of nitrogen oxides. So, hydrogen gas does not evolve when metal reacts with nitric acid. But magnesium and manganese react with very dilute HNO3 to evolve H2 gas. These are some other chemical equations regarding reaction of metals with acids. Now come to reaction of metals with solutions of other metal salts. When a metal A reacts with salt solution of B, then salt solution of A is formed and metal B is released. This is somehow we can say a displacement reaction. Displacement reactions you have learned earlier in the previous chapters also. For example, in this chemical equation, you can see when iron reacts with copper sulfate, then copper being less reactive than iron is displaced by iron and iron sulfate is formed, or we can say ferrous sulfate is formed. Similarly, the equation is lying underneath. All metals are not equally reactive. If we check the reactivity of various metals with oxygen, water and acids, we find all metals do not react with these reagents. Okay, let's come to the reactivity series. Reactivity series. The reactivity series is a list of metals arranged in the order of their decreasing activities. Highly reactive, the arrow is going downward. You can see the arrow is going downwards. Means decreasing. Gold is least reactive and the potassium is highly reactive. Least reactive, the most reactive. And in between, the metals are present which have decreasing reactivity for the reactivity. Therefore, we can see there are some metals listed here and we can learn them or learn this reactivity series in a very funny and easy manner like this. केदारनाथ का माली आलू जरा फीका पकाता है, कुछ हींग अजवाइन और पड़ता. Purta is not mentioned here, it is platinum. While metals from magnesium to lead can react with acids, metals from copper to gold are highly unreactive and they don't react with any other substance. You know, copper is used in making the electrical wires and gold is used for making the ornaments. This is the reason why metals like gold don't get corrode easily and don't form oxides. Gold always remain in a shining position, while metals such as zinc, aluminium, magnesium, calcium, etc. form oxides readily. Hydrogen is a non-metal, but still it has been included in the reactivity series as it helps in the comparison of reactivity of metals. Now let us practice what we have learned. Which gas is produced when dilute hydrochloric acid is added to a reactive metal, or write the chemical reaction when zinc reacts with dilute HCl. The chemical reaction is marked here. What happens when copper reacts with silver nitrate solution? When the copper reacts with silver nitrate solution, the copper is displaced by, the copper displaces silver nitrate solution and forms the copper nitrate. A solution of copper sulfate was kept in an iron pot. After a few days, the iron pot was found to have number of holes in it. So the reaction is mentioned here also. And the fourth question, you can solve yourself with the help of this table. Thank you. Thanks a lot. I hope you have understood this worksheet well.